Hello friends, and welcome back to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. I get constant questions about my Oura Ring, so I thought I would share some basics about what it does and why it has been such a powerful health-enhancing tool for me. So Oura is an example of what we call wearables. Wearables like the Oura Ring or smartwatches or other fitness trackers are designed to help us understand our bodies better. They measure things like sleep, physical activity, and more, giving us real-time insights into how we're doing. For example, the Oura Ring focuses on 4 key areas: sleep, activity, stress, and recovery. It tracks your sleep stages from deep sleep to REM, helping you understand how restful your nights really are, both in terms of quantity and quality of sleep. It keeps an eye on how active you are throughout the day and whether you're hitting your fitness goals. It calculates something called readiness, which tells you how well your body is recovering and if you might need to rest or push harder. And my favorite, it uses heart rate variability to accurately assess whether you are in a restorative or stress state or somewhere in between. And it does this throughout the entire course of your waking day. But here's an important tip. These wearables aren't about perfection. They're tools to give you feedback and help you make small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle. I can personally attest to the fact that this Oura Ring has definitely made me change my behaviors in a positive way. It is why I never drink in the week and have otherwise dramatically reduced my intake of alcohol. It has strongly encouraged me to end my eating as early as possible in the day and also avoiding stimulating activities close to bed. It has encouraged me to tape my mouth shut at night and never miss my morning breathing and centering prayer meditation. Meaning, seeing is believing. I can see with my own eyes what unhealthy habits do to my sleep and stress levels and vice versa. Maybe you notice you need more deep sleep or you're not moving enough during the day. These insights can guide you toward better health habits. So whether it's an Oura Ring, a smartwatch, or any wearable, think of it as a health coach on your wrist, or in this case, on your finger. Let me know if you've tried wearables and what they have done, if any, to positively change your behavior. And thank you so much for watching. Please share this message with others so they can benefit too. Thank you.